Who's ready for Munch madness? It's that time of year. Basketball games are in full swing, and so are the snacks. So how do you have a ball without jeopardizing your health goals? Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. Today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you how to score a snack slam dunk with a delicious Greek 6-layer dip. Start with a container of Hy-Vee plain Greek yogurt. And then flavor it with some garlic paste, a tablespoon of fresh chopped dill, and a couple tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Now, ready to take your shot? We're not going for the 3, we're going for the full 6 layers. So spread a base layer of hummus. It's a lower fat and healthier alternative to traditional mayo-based dips. And Hy-Vee has lots of hummus flavors to choose from, like this roasted red pepper. Then add a layer of the yogurt mixture. Next, layer on lots of veggies, full of vitamins and minerals. Try chopped cucumber, quartered cherry tomatoes, sliced Greek olives, and finally, sprinkle on some Hy-Vee crumbled feta cheese. Serve up these delicious Greek flavors with some baked chips and dig in. So skip the heavy game day eats and try this healthier dip that's sure to score some points. Visit Hy-Vee.com/health and connect virtually with your Hy-Vee dietitian for more healthy snack ideas.